What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the video recording not working issue in Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down this circle, and when this circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the video recording will start working. But if you're still facing the issue, then force stop the camera app. So to do this, tap and hold on the camera app, then tap on this information icon, and then tap on this force stop option on the bottom left corner. Now tap on OK to confirm, and after force stopping the camera app, it will help you to fix the video recording issue. But after this, if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings, tap on about phone, and then tap on software version. Now it will automatically check for available updates here. So if you have any update available, then update your phone's software to the latest version, and after updating the phone's software to the latest version, the video recording issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the video recording not working issue in Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.